a great choice today with the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: LED headlights, navigation system, traction control, power liftgate, heated seats, Bluetooth, dual airbags, front wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated steering wheel, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, power windows, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.